Everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video you will learn how you can easily get a card in Revolut. So let's start. First, what you want to do is just click here on cards. In cards, you're gonna see that the plus button here on the right upper corner. When you're gonna click on it, you can get a Revolut card, and you can get a virtual or physical. Let's click on physical. And first, you're gonna create a card design that you want. Or you can also choose the virtual one. You really can choose which one you like. Let's go with the physical. And I know I like this one, get standard card. And now you just choose the PIN card here. And now confirm delivery address. And then you will get it. So this is how you get a Revolut card. It's like really easy. And the virtual, it's going to be the same. Again, virtual, you can get disposable card. When you go to the virtual, get virtual card. And this is the same thing. But you need to So that's pretty much it. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down below in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you. And yeah, thank you everybody. Have a great day and see ya. Goodbye.